Hello friends, now we are going to study series connection in two-port network. Let us assume we have two independent network. This is network number 1 and this is network number 2. What we are going to do, we are going to connect in series. Series means the voltage will be adding and the current will be same here. So how we can connect? We can connect like this. We can connect like this in output terminal. So what is happening exactly? We are getting I1 dash is equal to I1 double dash, and here we are getting I2 dash is equal to I2 double dash, and we can write the total voltage equation by applying KVL in first port. V1 will be equal to V1 dash plus V1 double dash. The equation correspondingly in terms of V1 and V2 for the first network is given by here, and for the second network has been given by here. So putting all these values, so V1 will be equal to V1 dash means Z11 dash I1 dash plus Z12 dash I2 dash plus V1 double dash. V1 double dash means Z11 double dash I1 double dash plus Z12 double dash I2 double dash, and we know that the value of I1 dash is I1 double dash. So I1 dash and I1 double dash are equal to I1, that is main current I1. So we can write here the value of V1 is equal to Z11 dash plus Z11 double dash I1 plus Z12 dash plus Z12 double dash is equal to I2. Here you can see this is I2. In the same way, at the output terminal, we can write the value of V2. I am not writing here, I am writing the final. So V2 will be equal to Z21 dash plus Z21 double dash I1 plus Z22 dash plus Z22 double dash I2. So these are the final equation number 1 and final equation number 2. And we can write in terms of metric also. The main V1, V2 will be equal to Z11 dash plus Z11 double dash, Z12 dash plus Z12 double dash, Z21 dash plus Z21 double dash, Z22 dash plus Z22 double dash. And here it will be I1 and I2. So whenever we have been given two network and that is connected in series, then we will find out the individually the Z parameter, then directly after calculating Z parameter we can add. So here it is all about the series connection. Thank you.